Tuesday, the 21st of May 2024. We're going to be doing an install and initial review of this Anderson LuminAire Retractable Screen Door. Simple three-step installation, which is true. All of this worked out very well. This was a 32 to 36 inch door. The tools you need: screwdriver, and that's the drill is not included. The screwdriver itself is not included, but the drill bit is included. The screws and everything you need are included. We had to remove Vicky's screen door, but here is the install. So far, I like this very much. As long as the product holds up. The only thing that I've seen so far, there are two things. Since this is a full view, you will walk through it. And they also, Anderson recommends that you not use this if it gets down close to zero. I don't know what the problem would be, but they recommend not using it when it gets down that cold. It works very well. It's not hard to install. Pieces down at the bottom and the top are marked A and A, B and B, C and C, D and D. You pretty much just install them. Lock the little clip in. It locks it. The sliding mechanism is very smooth. It latches very good. The release is very good, works very good. I almost walked through the thing a while ago. May need to put some kind of stripe of paint or something on it to keep you from walking through it. But just unlatch it and it retracts itself. It works very well. So let me get attach this to the video I did yesterday and get it uploaded. We're going to do a short on it as well. Okay, May the 20th, 2024. Today's project, if we decide to accept it, as the sun is coming across the top and will be shining on the back here before long, is replacing this screen door with an Anderson LuminAire Retractable Screen Door. This is a 80-inch tall. It can be hung as a left or a right wing, or left or right open door, which means it can go this way or this way. So we will be installing it to open up this way. Now, this door is a very good door. It's been installed on here I don't know how long. It works perfectly, but Vicky doesn't like it. So we will be removing it and installing this sliding screen door. The only down thing I can see about this one is that it's screen all the way down, which is more susceptible to puncture the lower you go down. And it is also, you know, this is self-closing with the closer over here. And those doors are, a lot of times, are hard to get just right, but that one works just right. But this one will have to be manually closed every time you open and want to close it. Okay, we've got it apart. Tools we'll need will be a drill, a screwdriver, and there's sunglasses, but we're going to get the instructions out. Right or left-handed. It says it can be installed in about 30 minutes. So we'll see. This will be a test run because she wants one for the front door as well. Now, this screen door can be installed where it'll open either way. What you would have to do is just reverse it. Just flip it. Take this side, flip it upside down and put it over here. And this one, flip it upside down and put it over here. This is going to open up this way. That way, when she comes out, she'll just slide it over to the left and the screen won't be sitting here in the way. Now she is going to lose some space. She's got a 36-inch door, and she's going to be dropping down to about 31 inches. But it ought to work real good. And these are labeled. It tells you where to go. C and D, A and B, and each one of those are labeled A, B, C, and D on these corners. And you just have to be careful to make sure that this outside locking tab is on the inside, not the outside. If it's on the outside like that, it's wrong and messed up. It has to be on the inside like that when you complete these tracks. So we are going to do that now. We're going to put the tracks in, and this got little locks on this side over here. We're going to lock it in, and then whatever adjustment you need to fasten it to the side wall over here, it'll slide a little bit, it'll give a little bit where you can get that adjustment. So we will do that and then get the video for that. Okay, we have slid the rails into place, the seal, and we've got that one locked and this one locked. We're going to stand it up, put it in the hole, adjust it, and then screw our holes and finish assembly.